Okay, so guys, today I'm gonna see if a Moyo Maylong PMX is magnetic. So guys, what the heck? Who made that sound? Wait. Oh, I mean, guys, I'm gonna show you how to solve this 3x3 fusion Rubik's cube. So guys, I'm gonna show you how to solve it. So this is just basically like a 3x3, but it might be different. So guys, you're gonna start at the yellow one, and then guys, you have to go to 1 all the way to 225. So imagine my fingers are marble. You go like this. Oh, and if there's an open space, you just gotta do this. What happened? Oh yeah, and you go like this. So guys, the goal for this cube is to not make the marbles go crazy. Huh? I'm kind of confused. What is this? There should be a 4. So guys, basically this Rubik's cube is a bit confusing. But once you practice it, you will get better, and you will watch this without the tutorial. You can do that. Wait. Is it like here? Oh, that's number 4. Nope, that's 5. It might be a bit hard to see. Oh, now you go like this. 7, 8. So guys, basically you need to make numbers 1 to 225 by turning. So you will turn it, because if there's an open space, then you need a turn until you see that these are connected together. So that means if you keep doing that, then you might you might get to 225 all the way. So guys, I hope you tried today's video, guys. I will see you next video.